Hallo, my naam is Lucy Olifant van graad 3L by Laerskool Staats Kimberley. My afdeling is tweetalig. My onderwerp is meer sleg as goed. Chairperson, Uncle Ruggles taxi speeds down Oliver Road. The next moment it takes off like a Boeing 747, airborne for a few seconds, then hitting the ground with an almighty thud. Ladies and gentlemen, there are far too many reckless drivers out there, but speed bumps are not the answer. In die Diamantstad het daar laas jaar oornag 2 almantige spoedhobbels verskyn en Kimberley is boos. Voertuie verniel, maar voertuie word vertraag en lugbesoedeling floreer. Firstly, speed bumps, better known as sleeping policemen, can damage your car. If you're anything like my Aunt Nikki, your car is your pride and joy. There's nothing more disheartening than the sound of metal scraping when driving over a speed bump. We read a title blog, How Speed Bumps Can Destroy Your Car, on www.carmat.co.za, written by technical expert Nicole Lowe on the 1st of May 2024. Lowe says that driving too fast over a speed bump is like whacking a car with a hammer. Even at average speed, you can damage your shocks, steering wheels, tires and undercarriage. Now, I might not know all these parts, but my Aunt Nikki's face is enough to convince me that speed bumps are no child's play. Second up, speed bumps slow down emergency vehicles. How many times have you moved out of the way for an ambulance as they rise to save a life? Now, imagine how they have to hit the brakes to get over that bump. In the Citizen of 28 January 2024, Bertha Pieter-Skeepers, Ops Manager of Johannesburg Traffic Agency, says that speed bumps delay response times and damage sensitive equipment in the ambulance. Not an easy task to stay on the stretcher and hooked up to your drip while the driver does the Macarena over merciless bumps. Laastens, is spoedwelle alles behalwe omgewingsvriendelik. Weerskante van spoedhobbels staan water op as dit reën. En almal weet staande water is 'n resep vir slaggate. As jy 'n spoedwal nader, trap jy rem. Sodra jy oor die hobbel is, trap jy petrol en uitlaatgase verdubbel. Op nuwer24.com skryf Angelique Erasmus 'n artikel. Verminder so jou brandstofverbruik. Op 7 Maart 2024, een van haar wenke is om jou roete te beplan om te nie jou spoedwal trotseer nie. Weer eens eenvoudige wiskunde. Meer petrol is gelyk aan meer lugbesoedeling. Dames en here, in 'n nietedoek spoedwalle beskadig jou voertuig is 'n stok in die speek van noodvoertuie en verminder en verhoog brandstofverbruik en dus lugbesoedeling. So instead of more speed bumps, people should obey speed limits and drive responsibly, unless you want to take off like a Boeing 747. Remember, hasty climbers have sudden falls, so be careful when a speed bump calls. Thank you.